Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to get more tokens on Monopoly Go. Just a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So to obtain more tokens, as you can see right here, I only have one. To obtain more tokens on Monopoly Go, it's fairly simple to do this. There's a lot of options you can choose from. First is going to the album and completing an album. So there are types of albums that completes and gives you some types of token. Wait, let me find one right here. So mostly the rewards are just, there you go, there's a token right here. So just complete this album and you will get a token for free. So let's find another one. So I'll see if there is one more, because I'm familiar with there's another one here. Fortunately there is one. So the next step is actually you can actually get a token by inviting people. Here, as you can see, we can invite people, 10 friends, and you will get a free token and 150 dice for free. So those are just the ways you can get free tokens on Monopoly Go. It's fairly simple to do, and as you can see here, those are just the options you can do, which are fairly simple to do in the game itself too. As you can see right there, you can just finish an album or perhaps finish doing inviting friends, as I said, like here. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you again next time.